Good evening to all. From many days, we all are celebrating the nutritious week. Now, today is the last day, that is 7th of September. Next, I will give you the idea briefly about the nutrition, balanced diet, its deficiency diseases, and how we cure them. What we eat to cure these diseases. First of all, definition of nutrition. Nutrition is the process of living beings' ability to eat food and use the component of those food to, to fuel growth and development. Nutrition is important to understand so that we can make healthy food choices. Now, what is balanced diet? A diet which contains the proper proportions of all classes of food necessary to maintain the good health. It is basically a good nutrition. Next question arises, why is proper nutrition important? It is important to meet increased nutrient demands. It provides needed energy which is required for our body. It prevents pregnancy related problems, reduce risk of birth defects. It supply needed nutrients for the baby's growth and development, ensure healthy birth weight, maintain a healthy weight. There are different kinds of nutrients which is present in our food. There are types and the sources. First is carbohydrates. They are also known as sugar, which are found maximum in fruits as well as in milk products. They are important for the healthy diet. Next is proteins. They are mainly building blocks of organs, muscles, skin, and hormones. Next is fats. Fats maintain our energy in our body, temperature, and vitamins absorption. It is present in ghee, oil. Next is fibers. Fibers are mainly found in fruits, vegetables, pulses. It is needed to keep our digestive system healthy. Minerals, they are the building blocks of our muscles, bones, and teeth. Vitamins, they are present in all fruits and vegetables. They maintain our immune system. Next, water. It is almost necessary for our digestive system, our digestive process. Next, the topic is, what are the deficiency diseases which are caused by not taking the nutritious diet, and how many diseases occur when we did not take a nutritious diet, balanced diet. First, in the absence of vitamin A, if there is a deficiency of vitamin A in our body, there is a loss of vision. मेन सिम्टम्स, हम देख नहीं पाएंगे, हमारी विजन क्या हो जाएगी, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस हो जाएगी. Vitamin B1, it causes beriberi. In this, muscles become weak. Vitamin C, scurvy. In this, bleeding in gums. Vitamin D, rickets. The bones become soft. In the absence of calcium in our diet, bones and tooth decay occur. The bones become weak and soft. In the absence of iodine, the goiter occurs. In this, the gland becomes swollen, which is present in our neck, that is thyroid gland. Next, iron. Deficiency of iron causes anemia. In this, weakness in the proper whole body of the organism. Next, what is the reason to eat fruit? What is a more reason to eat the fruits? There are different fruits which help to increase our immune system, bones become healthy. There are different fruits which are useful to provide nutrients in our body. For example, cherries, they help calm your nervous system. Grapes, they relax our blood vessels because when we eat grapes, the blood pressure problem decreases. Peach, it is rich in potassium, fluoride, and iron. Iron increases our RBCs in our body. Apple, it provides protection against infections. Watermelon controls heart rate. Orange, it maintains great skin and vision. Banana, it gives us energy. It is important for athletes. Pineapple, it fight against arthritis, bones problem. Kiwi, it increase bone mass, bone weight. Mangoes, it protect us against different kinds of cancers. In India, from the last year, a number of children are malnourished. Nearly half of all under 5 child mortality in India is due to malnutrition. They do not gain nutrition diet. They eat only junk food, etc. etc. We all are celebrating these days to aware parents and children to take nutritious diet, which is very important for our body, for growth and development. Those who think they have no time for healthy eating will sooner or later have to find time for illness. So avoid eating junk food, eat only healthy food. Thank you.